Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Android using Google One Encryption. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your Android device and navigate to the home screen. Locate the Google One app on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from the Google Play Store. Open the Google One app once it's installed. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. On the main screen, find and tap on the storage option. Scroll down to the Backup section. Select the Backup Now button to initiate the process. You will see options for what to backup, such as photos, videos, and contacts. Make sure the items you want to backup are checked. If you want to enable encryption for sensitive data, check the encryption option. Review the backup settings to ensure everything is as desired. Confirm by tapping the Start Backup button. The backup process will begin, and you can monitor the progress on your screen. Wait for the backup to complete, which may take some time depending on the amount of data. Once completed, you will see a confirmation message indicating the backup was successful. You can access your backed up data anytime from the Google One app. If needed, you can manage your backups from the same section in the app. Always ensure to perform backups regularly to keep your data safe. You have now successfully backed up your Android device using Google One Encryption. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.